You also wanted to see each of the row units. You can see that they're all in good shape, the tires and the wheels, and I'll show you the metal disc here in a second. Are all in good shape. Let's see if I can scan down. Here's a good place. You can see that the rubber tires are all in good shape. You can see down here the kind of the factory sharpened edge, which starts right here and goes up to here. It is still there. Don't get me wrong, there's some wear. They measure out at just a little over 14 3/4 on the corn rows, and then the bean rows are a little better than that. You can also see on these row cleaners that they're still, you can definitely tell a defined line. These have very little use, that they're in good shape. The main linkage itself is good. Like we were saying, the tires are all in good shape. They actually still have some dish left to them right in here. Let's see if I can get a better angle on it. There you go. Come back. The closing wheels are all still in good shape. I'll come back here. We'll look at these row cleaners and stuff. They're all, like I was saying, in really good condition. I'll take you over here. This is where the planter, this is the back part of the 3 sections. You can see those closing wheels are in good shape. Again, the wheels are all, I mean, they're free to turn, but they don't have much side slop. Again, here's the picture of the closing wheel, or the V openers. They're in good shape. Like I say, they got a little wear on them, but they're not all chewed up from rocks and whatnot. The boxes themselves are all in good shape. Let's see if we can get you a picture of all the rows. Right here is just a spot from where the roof leaked on top. There's a few little black spots down through there where the snow's melted around the screws in the tin. I wanted to show you this box right here has a crack in the lid, not in the box, just the lid. When that's been silicone, I had a piece of tape on it. The rest of the boxes and lids are all in good shape. I'll take you over here and show you. All the boxes get cleaned out, and you can look around the edges and stuff. The box itself is in good shape. The lid's in good shape. Here's a bean row. Same goes for it, cleaned out. All the edges are in good shape. I'll see if I can show you a little bit here as far as how much plays in the row unit. You can see there is some movement in the lid, but if I pick up on the main row unit itself, there's not much side-to-side play. Let's see if I can get this one. Again, the boxes or the lids move. You just can't get much movement side to side out of the row units. Like I say, the planter is good and tight. If you were up here, I wouldn't be afraid for you to grab any row you wanted to. Here's a picture of the monitor. You can see that it's in good shape. All the buttons still have all the lettering on them. It's a Green Star display. It's in good shape. The piece that goes on the back of the tractor is right here. Got the lid on it. It's still good and clean in there. The oil that you see right here on the ground and on the tongue right here comes from the one hose, which I'll show you. There's your wings, these two. This is your main frame lift, and this is the left and the right supply for the vacuum. And then right here I've taken the rag off the planter, or the end here, but this end right here you can see has no ball in it. It's just strictly open to keep all back pressure from the return side of the vacuum motors. And being that's where the oil's coming from on the main frame, because there's no end on it to stop any water or oil from coming out of the hose. As you can see, other than where the dual has rubbed, the decals along the main tongue, the warning decals on the markers, and the decals and the paint on the main frame, the boxes are all in good shape. The tires, again, on the main frame are all in good shape. Another picture of this row unit. See the decals in good shape. Again, the disc, you can still, it's hard to see, but you can still see the factory edge where it was sharpened. Got a little rust spot here, but everything turns free, and you can see there's not much movement in it. The closing wheels, they're all in good shape. Bearings are all free on those. Again, here's the left side for all the box lids and boxes. Markers are up here. This marker's in excellent shape. No cracks or welds. That one is the same way, although there is one place that had to be fixed. Right here, it cracked where the cylinder from up top mounted into it. There's a plate there, and I guess just from use it had a little stress crack, but that's pretty good shakedown of the whole entire planter. Like I said, the main frame's all free of any cracks or welds. I showed you that pin. That place had to be welded, and then right there on that marker, but the rest of it is all straight and in good shape, good paint, stays in the shed all the time. I mean, other than during planting season, you can see we have room between that tractor and the shed, or in that truck, where we'll pull it in if there's going to be a rain. You're not going to be in the field for 2 or 3 days. We'll leave it hooked up, and even pull it in the shed during planting season between rains. I don't know what to tell you other than come up and take a look at it, or you can take this video for what it's worth. Thank you.